Mammals are sometimes mistaken for large fish. However, they're definitely natural. Without further ado, join us in welcoming the Manila Ocean Park, South American sea lions. All right, let's give it up for the Elon Brand.
Masa?
My Elon Brand, together with the winners one of the time. On the left side is the eldest Beagle, South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, he is the Brady Yes.
Wow!
Her name is Ike. Together take a bird, say hi! One on the other side is the youngest Beagle, South American sea lion that we have here. And according to our trainer, she is the cutest.
No!
Hi girl, her name is Ira. Together, trainer David, say hello! Now guys, let's see. Do you have any idea where for these are better for the tomorrow? Any idea? Do we have better? Well, let's ask now. Hey ladies, do you have better? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front livers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The therapy depends also be translated as wing-footed. Since their livers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they were to be flying underwater as this wing prop takes place. Right, see that, friends? And did you know, they're often mistaken like a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front livers. And they can also send their back livers something just cannot do. As our top, they can volatilize while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about our applause for sea lion friends?
Clap daw, clap.
And you know what guys? They have this long and flexible necks. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? So how about their dogs? Their Elon Brand. As you can see, their body is covered with a tingle of short hair. And their whiskers have the sea lion's dental touch. They contain nerve fibers which make them sensitive. Wow, nice life. Hey! And they may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibrations from playing in the water. And their small cylinders give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water's surface. Sea lions, taken with animals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit water close to shore, flat-like typhoon, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbability, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Really strong front livers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities and let's start with Ira, the cutest. Sea lions can generate groups that are around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movements of their front livers, while their back livers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for sailing. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thanks so much, Ira. And then David. But where did